Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how I was able to solve an issue that was bugging me ever since I first laid my hands on Blender. And that's the way that extruding along a curve happens in Blender that never kind of was feeling right for me. For example, this is a curve, so this is a quadrilateral curve, but it is a curve. So from this setup, so curve to mesh used with a profile curve, and let's just turn it on, and okay, let's just put it maybe to 2 meters, and then let's go into our top view, and here you can see that this actually isn't 2 meters. This dimension is not 2 meters. It's this dimension that is 2 meters. So it's not quite right, and that is not the worst problem about this. It's this one. So if you go into edit mode, and let's just move this point somewhere around here, and let's just make the radius, I don't know, 5. And as you can see now, it's even worse. And this happens because Blender extrudes this circle along the curve in this way. It takes the normal of that point. So the normal is facing like this. And then it aligns that circle along that norm. And that's why we get the perfect circle with the 5-meter radius from this direction. But if we look at it around here, you can see that this is all wrong. This is not even a circle. This is like an ellipse. So that's not right. And the same thing happens it's the same thing that happens if you use, for example, this geometry depth option here of the curve. It's the same thing. So you can use the curve like this, and then if you move this one, you'll get the same problem. This is not the way it was supposed to look. And I tried to, I don't know, I searched the forum for a solution, but the best I got is, well, that's just the way Blender works. But that was not very appealing to me, so I actually found a solution, and the solution is right here. This BB Tubes node group that I created, that you can download from the link in the description for just a couple of dollars. It's a way to support this channel. I'm not gonna become rich for it or something, but if you want to support this channel, this is the best way to do it, and you'll be able to solve this problem if it's bugging you as much as it is bugging me. Anyway, so let's put it here, but let's mute this one. Right, this one is not working because this has become a mesh and not a curve when I use this bevel option. So let's just delete this one and let's focus on this one, for example. And as you can see, this one has been fixed. Let's lower the resolution a bit, and as you can see, this one is getting fixed. And this one works also with the open curves like this. Let's just go here. And you have the option to fill or not fill the caps, and it's working the way it's supposed to now, right? And it works even, and that's the coolest thing of it all, it works for curves that are not two-dimensional. So as you can see now, let's just turn it on, because we have, look, it's looking just the way it's supposed to look. And anyway, that is practically all I wanted to show you. Another thing maybe is if I don't know, use a UV sphere here. Let's just scale it a bit much, okay. And this node will also work for meshes, as you can see. We need to lower the radius a bit to see it. There you go. And And I want to show you how I created this node, but I'm going to do it in another video, since I noticed that most of you are interested in just getting to know how a group node that I create works, and then a very small amount of you just watch how it's actually made inside. So I'm going to finish this video right here, and for those of you who do want to see how this node was created and what's inside it, you can subscribe to the channel, and I will do a video on that in the near future. And for those of you who just want the node, you can download it from the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.